Hi gorgeous, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be doing some lace nails. If you're new here, I make press-on nail design tutorials. So let's get started. Also, if y'all hear a little bit of background noise, the AC is on. It is summertime, so you might hear it in the background, so just ignore that. So I am taking my McCart nail foil glue. For this foil glue, you will need like a really good lamp, because I remember when I was a beginner and I had first got this foil glue, it would not work when I had the little cheap lamps from Amazon. And I'm only doing it kind of like half the nail, because this nail is going to be an ombre, but I want to put the foil a little bit further up. I don't know where I got this foil from. I got it like 2 years ago. I do not remember where I got it from, so don't ask. Okay, so I'm not the best with foils. I tend to do a terrible job, so hopefully this comes out well. And just massage literally like massage the foil down onto the nail and just work it in. So I had forgot to mention that if you have any missing spots like right here, just place the foil back on there, rub it in that spot, and then pull it up, and the foil should be on there and the spot should be filled in. And if you get some wrinkles in there, just like massage the wrinkles out. Just massage them out. I love this length and shape. It's so pretty to me. Leave some foil glue recommendations down below, because I only ever tried McCart's. Before we get on to the next part, you have to top coat the decal, not the decal, the nail foil. The nail foil, you have to top coat it. If you don't, the monomer will mess it up. If you are still watching the video so far, please consider subscribing and commenting down below to be featured on the comment shout out. Acrylic, I had got some cover acrylic powders from Young Nails. And so in today's video, I will be using Cover Rosebud. Of course, I will be using my Kiara Sky monomer to go through an ombre for this nail, which is the thumb. So the thumb is going to be an ombre. So quick question, have y'all used some of Young Nails cover acrylics? And if you have, let me know which ones and if you like them or not. Then this one is going to be half, so I'm not going to go all the way down the nail and ombre like I did with the thumb. Nails, make sure that you hold the nail down the same way you would if you were working on an actual client, because gravity is going to help to make sure that you don't over flood the cuticle area, because you can do that with press-on. So the index finger is going to be a French tip, which is why I'm starting with the acrylic first versus the lace. Okay, so I'm going to take a French tip cutter and I'm going to line it up. I'm going to go and file these nails and then I'm going to come back again for the second part of the lace. So, hi. Here's what they look like so far. Go back over again with the lace for the index and the pinky finger. So I'm just going back in again with the foil glue. And I'm going to cut a U shape into the foil to get that French tip. So I had used the foil that I had cut out earlier to fill in the gaps right there where the acrylic was at so that it wouldn't be any missing spots. Don't forget to top coat the lace foil before you go in with the acrylic. Okay, and so now I'm just using Young Nails clear acrylic and I'm going in and encapsulating the foil. Okay, so I'm done encapsulating the nails. And so I'm going to file again and then come back to do the rhinestones. We are pretty much at the end of the video. This set did take me around 2 hours to do. In a few seconds, you will see the final reveal shots. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this in the future.